Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this bomb disposal filter on TikTok. This one is an interesting filter. Okay, so this is the effect. You have to cut the wire in sequence. Okay. Touch the color you want to cut. Red is danger one. You have to find the sequence to dispose the bomb. Okay, so to get this effect, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and search for bomb disposal. Okay, the first one with 42.6k videos. This is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for bomb disposal filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not seeing this effect here on the search, what you can do, tap on any of this video. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there. It's in yellow, bomb disposal. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. So try your luck and dispose the bomb. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.